Part 12 of this series, covering the Ben 10 Eco Challenge, deals with the Bottelnek Pass. The footage gives viewers an idea of what it's like from a guest's point of view, and all video footage was taken by Dirk Reyskens. The route starts at the Mountain Shadows Hotel near the summit of the Bottelnek Pass and heads northwest along the tarred R58 towards Berkeley East, approximating the course of the Langkloofspruit for 18 kilometers. Although the R58 is a main trunk route, it provides spectacular scenery of exposed sandstone and green farm fields. At one point, a large cave-like overhang is visible on the left, and many well-preserved sand paintings can be seen on the nearby farms. At the 18-kilometer mark, we leave the tar and take the gravel turn-off to the right, which follows the beautiful and isolated Bottelnek Pass Valley for 10 kilometers, passing through old farm dwellings and beautiful barns with copses of large birch trees. All along this valley are examples of Scottish architecture where dressed local sandstone was used to construct homes, outbuildings and walls, and the sturdiness of the construction method still stands firm almost 180 years on. At the 28-kilometer point, the road turns abruptly to the left and crosses the stream via a narrow single-lane bridge and begins the ascent of the Bottelnek Pass via a series of switchbacks to summit at 2,200 meters above sea level. Once over the summit, the direction changes into the west as the route follows a long valley where large flocks of sheep and healthy cattle graze the hillsides. At the 36-kilometer mark, we connect with the main gravel road, the R393, and we turn right, heading southeast back towards our starting point. On this final and fifth day of the tour, we also completed the very technical Buster Footpath Pass, the start of which is where this video ends. The climate in these high altitudes, which are mostly higher than 2,000 meters, where the locals experience moderate summers with heavy electrical storms, and the winters are of course legendary, with nearby Berkeley East having recorded snow in every month of the year.
Yeah, today is Easter Monday, beautiful day, past Maandag, and we're gonna do the Buster Footpath today. That sounds very promising, hey? Very ominous. Everybody's warming up the engines, the diesels mostly.
On page 15.
I think these were the rocks I was talking about. Yeah.
Overtake the whole convoy or overtaking on double barrier lines, so just be wide awake. I will ask you to expand the following distances shortly. 500. Okay, just to confirm, I'm not sure if my previous broadcast went through. There are three vehicles behind me, and I think the lack of overtaking wiggle space to the Bottelnek turn-off. Yeah, these three guys are bunched up behind me, and they're attempting to overtake.
The Bottelnek Pass.
Talks that he's given us. We're passing on. The one occurred at night, and it sounds like a good stream coming on out of control. It is a horrific noise that it makes. No, not really, Doc. And the mom is trying to teach them how to fly to safety, but they're not listening. They can't fly yet, they're too small.
Uit op die snij, sodat die 50 miles nou kort toe. En hy doen alles en ons sit daarby om te selekteer hier elke jaar en
We do the climb up and rejoin the R393, your favourite road. The convoy is moving, over. Copy that, thank you very. Thanks, Tony, we got you. When we leave here now, if you will please go to the back in front of Barry, and David will move into position number 2. Thank you.